Another day, another story. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the hottest topics in the world of finance, Bitcoin. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Bitcoin, its history, how it works, and why it's important. So, let's get started. What is Bitcoin and its history? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It's important to understand that Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution. It's a peer-to-peer system that operates on a blockchain, which is essentially a public ledger that records all transactions. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions, as well as to control the creation of new units of currency. When someone sends Bitcoin to another person, the transaction is verified by the network of computers, and then recorded on the blockchain. This process ensures that every Bitcoin transaction is secure and transparent. Why is Bitcoin important? Bitcoin offers several advantages over traditional forms of currency. First, it's decentralized, which means that it's not subject to government or financial institution control. Second, it's transparent, meaning that all transactions can be tracked and verified. Third, it's secure, thanks to the use of cryptography. How to get started with Bitcoin? Getting started with Bitcoin is easy. First, you need to create a Bitcoin wallet. This is a digital wallet that you can use to store your Bitcoin. Next, you'll need to purchase Bitcoin from a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have Bitcoin, you can use it to make purchases online, or you can hold onto it as an investment. Risks and challenges with Bitcoin. While Bitcoin offers many advantages, there are also risks and challenges associated with it. For example, Bitcoin is still a relatively new technology, and its value can be volatile. Additionally, because Bitcoin is not regulated, there is a risk of fraud and theft. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing in Bitcoin. So there you have it, everything you need to know about Bitcoin. We hope that this video has helped you understand the basics of Bitcoin and why it's important. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.